All right, my dear children, now we will solve next problem, problem number 2. And this problem is also based on the root mean square velocity, or also called the speed of the molecules of gas, but in terms of molecular weight. In terms of what weight? Molecular weight. Okay. The question says that the root mean square speed, or also called velocity, of oxygen molecules. One is called oxygen molecules at a certain temperature, means the temperature is constant, is 150 meter per second. How much? 150 meter per second. Full stop. After that, question says that calculate the root mean square speed of hydrogen. With respect to root mean square speed of oxygen, we have to find the root mean square of speed of hydrogen molecules at the same temperature. That means at the constant temperature, we need to find the root mean square speed of hydrogen. So molecular weight of oxygen and hydrogen are respectively 32 and 2. So in this question, the molecular weights of two different gases are given. One is oxygen and hydrogen. The molecular weights are given 32 and 2. Now we need to find the root mean square speed of hydrogen, okay, at constant temperature. And you have learned in the previous class that root mean square velocity, okay, of any gas molecules, okay, can be written in terms of what? Molecular weight. So for that, let me just continue. So in this particular problem, I consider this way: BRMS O. I mentioned O means oxygen. So root mean square speed of oxygen is given by 150, which is already given, 150 meter per second. And oxygen molecular weight is also given, and I am writing that as MO, that is 32. The molecular weight of oxygen MO is how much? 32. Similarly, molecular weight of hydrogen is also given, but we need to find root mean square speed of what? Hydrogen. So as I said, molecular weight of hydrogen, which is given, that is 2. Now to calculate the root mean square speed of hydrogen, so I consider BRMS H. H means hydrogen, is the root mean square speed of what? Hydrogen. Now how to calculate the root mean square speed of hydrogen in terms of root mean square speed of oxygen? So for this, you have learned in the previous class that root mean square speed of molecules of any gas is inversely proportional to 1 by square root of the molecular weight of that gas, which means root mean square speed and the molecular weight are inversely proportional to each other, which means BRMS is proportional to 1 by square root of what? M, where M is the molecular weight of any gas, where BRMS is the root mean square speed of that gas. Okay, that means root mean square speed and molecular weight are inversely proportional to each other. So if I follow this relation for oxygen and hydrogen, we can easily write the relation. Now for that, I write down for oxygen. Now for oxygen, I write down BRMS with oxygen, okay, is proportional to 1 by square root of molecular weight of what? Oxygen. But you know, when proportion sign is removed, equals to sign, you have to put some constant. So I write down BRMS oxygen equals to, I write down K is a constant, by square root of what? MO. This is for oxygen. So let me just give this as 1. Similarly, I do for what? Hydrogen also. Now for hydrogen also. Now for hydrogen, I write in the similar manner, BRMS, the root mean square speed of hydrogen means H is also proportional to 1 by square root of molecular weight of hydrogen, MH. Now again, in this question also, I remove what? Proportion sign. So to equals to sign, I put constant K only by square root of what? Molecular weight of what? Hydrogen. So I give this as equation number 2. Now in this question also, I'll now divide equation 1 by 2 both sides. So let me divide equation 1 by 2 both sides. Okay, let me write it down. Dividing equation 1, okay, by 2 both sides. If I divide equation 1 by 2 both sides, so left hand side is how much? BRMS oxygen, I divide by BRMS what? Hydrogen, equals to right hand side is what? K by molecular weight of oxygen whole divided by K by molecular weight of what? Hydrogen. But on the right hand side, this quantity will be reciprocal. So I write down K by square root of molecular weight of what? Oxygen into, now this will be reciprocal. So square root of molecular weight of hydrogen by what? K. So this K and K cancel out. You see, on the right hand side is coming square root of molecular weight of hydrogen and molecular weight of oxygen, but I write in whole square root, that is MH by MO. Now you see, root mean square speed of oxygen by root mean square speed of what? Hydrogen is equals to square root of molecular weight of hydrogen by molecular weight of oxygen. Okay. Now let me substitute the value now. Root mean square speed of oxygen is given 150. Now this value need to calculate. Root mean square speed of hydrogen need to calculate. I write down same. Square root of molecular weight of hydrogen is 2. Molecular weight oxygen is what? 32. So we can divide now. 2 1s are 2. 2 16s are 32. Which means it is square root of 1 by 16. Okay. Now on the right hand side, I'll take square root of 16. So 150 by BRMS of hydrogen equals to square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 16 is what? 4. Which means now I cross multiply. If I cross multiply, now you get BRMS of hydrogen is 4 times 150 of oxygen. So 4 into 150 means how much? 600 meter per second. So finally the answer of this question is the root mean square speed of hydrogen is 600 meter per second. Okay, so I write down therefore the root mean square speed of hydrogen is 600 meter per second. So this is the solution of problem number what? 2. Okay, so there are other problems to solve and that you learn in the next YouTube video.